Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bow keychain. This is the beginner friendly tutorial and very easy to make. So let's get started and make it with me. First I am using purple color of yarn, 4mm of crochet hook, a scissors and also a keychain hook. So let's get started and make it. Here I am using purple color of yarn. First we will hold yarn like in fingers like this. Next we're gonna make a slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop. Now yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat same pattern of making chain. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern. Make the total of 50 chains on top. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over and pull it, and complete the total of 50 chains with me. Here you see clearly I just complete the total of 50 chains. Next we're gonna make slip stitch in each chain below. First we will skip first chain, insert your hook into the second chain like here. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn into two loops like this. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. You see clearly how I make this. Just insert your hook into the chain, pull the yarn into twice loop. Like first we loop on hook and second we will pull the yarn like this. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. You see clearly the chain we have on top. Repeat same pattern. Make one slip stitch in each chain below. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. This is very easy and beginner friendly tutorial, so just repeat same pattern. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice until you complete the total of chains. Repeat same pattern of slip stitch until you reach into the last. Just insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Don't forget any part of the video from making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Repeat the same pattern of slip stitch. You see clearly how look it is. Just repeat the same pattern of making slip stitch until you reach into the last. Here I complete the total of chain. Now I make last chain. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After making the last slip stitch, we're gonna make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like here. Just cut it. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we will make a knot with each other, like both the leftover yarns. Just make a knot with each other like this. Next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. I will show you clearly in this video. Here I am using a crochet hook for hide the yarn clearly. Just insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches like this. You see clearly how look it is. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. I already hide the first side. Now just repeat the same pattern on the other side and hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. You see clearly how look it is. This is the step for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. Next we will make a bow shape. Just wrap it like this. I will show you clearly in this video. Now just pull it down. You see clearly how look it is. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. Next I am going to wrap some yarn into the center of bow for making the perfect bow shape. You see clearly how look it is. So just wrap it some yarn around it. Here I'm also using the purple color of yarn. Take some yarn like this and just wrap it around the bow, like into the center. First place it into the center and wrap it tightly. I will show you clearly in this video how to wrap it. Don't forget any part of the video from making any mistake. Just wrap it into the center, and after completed we will make a knot into the back side. Just make a knot tightly and secure your work in the end. Make 2 times knot into the back side and tight your work and secure your work in the last. After making a knot, just cut the leftover yarn, and next we will hide the leftover yarn. Already I will show you how to hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just repeat the same pattern and just hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches, like these yarn inside the stitches, and come back with me. This is the complete and the final look after hiding all the leftover yarn. You see clearly how look it is. Next we will attach a keychain hook on the top of the bow and come back like this. This is the complete and the final look. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.